Wetlands are the lifeblood of our planet, teeming with biodiversity, purifying water, and regulating our climate. But rapid urbanization and human encroachment are threatening these vital ecosystems. In India, the Hinduja Foundation is stepping up to restore these precious wetlands. One shining example is the restoration of the 12-acre Hannikallu Marsh in Kannur. Once plagued by encroachment, garbage dumping, and sewage disposal, this marsh has been transformed under the Hinduja Foundation's Jal Jeevan program, in partnership with Care Earth Trust and the Indian Army. Community engagement is key. Local residents participate in workshops and sensitization programs, becoming active stewards of the wetlands. This not only restores ecosystems but also creates employment opportunities. Prakash Hinduja, Managing Trustee of the Hinduja Foundation, believes that partnerships with NGOs and local communities are critical to creating sustainable solutions. Our mission extends beyond individual projects. It's about creating a blueprint for sustainability that others can adopt. The Hannikallu Marsh project is a beacon of hope, showcasing the power of collective action. By investing in wetland restoration, the Hinduja Foundation and its partners are ensuring a thriving planet for future generations.